Yo, what is good, guys? This is my first ever sneaker review, and I will be making this review quick and as informative as possible, so it won't get boring.
Bruh.
So yeah. So this is the infamous Jordan 1 box, and on the label it says Jordan 1 Off-White NRG, which is also energy. And the official colorway is white, dark powder blue cone. What I really like about this box is you can flip this thing open and you can see the shoes right there. So moving on, when you open the box, you can see the shoes covered with plastic with the labeling Off-White for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. This came out last June 23, 2018, and it retails for $190, which is roughly 10,000 pesos here in the Philippines. This is the third colorway of Off-White CEO and designer Virgil Abloh's take on this classic Jordan brand silhouette. It features the University of North Carolina's colors, which is of course Michael Jordan's team in college back in 1984 before entering the NBA. So the shoe came with the extra laces, the orange and blue laces, but I personally think the white ones look great. What I really like about this shoe is not just the hype or the resale value of the shoe, but I like the colorway and I like the concept behind the shoes. And touches of white and light blue pretty much dominate the deconstructed model. It also shows the unique and abstract detailing courtesy of Virgil, such as the oversized swoosh, stitching on the tail end, off-white branding on the inner side panels, the tongue, the Air text on the midsole, and my most favorite feature of this shoe is this one, an 85 number on the leather overlay. Very dope. One thing I also like is the insole, because it's pretty different from the regular Jordan ones out there. It has some spikes, or I don't know what to call it, and the insole has the regular Nike Air logo. And one thing I don't like about this shoe is this weird material right here. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's pretty. I don't know what material this is. It's like a canvas of some foamy. I don't know, man. It's just that when some stain gets onto this part, you're screwed, man. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, because I'll be doing more sneaker reviews in the future.